Today I'd like to show you how I assemble one of our breakdown frames. This one measures 48 by 48 inches or 4 by 4 feet, which is approximately 122 centimeters. I'll also show you how I attach one of our own rag, labeled as the Windy Bounce 4 by 4 feet. This frame is available in three sizes: 36 by 36 inches, 40 by 40 inches, and 48 by 48 inches. The frame consists of four parts. First, I mount the main piece on a stand using a spindle and a standard grip head. It is made of stainless steel, so it's resistant to moisture, but the main advantage is that the frame can be disassembled, making it easy to transport. Then I insert the two side rods. And finally the last piece. Each frame comes with a simple carrying bag, which can be custom made in different colors upon request. Now it's time to attach the rag. The Windy Bounce is designed for windy conditions. Thanks to the perforated fabric, it has better wind resistance than a regular Ultra Bounce. I start by attaching one side with the elastic corners, then the opposite side. Finally, I secure the Velcro straps on all four edges. Smaller rags, like this, use Velcro straps on all four sides instead of cords, which also slightly increases the usable surface area. All our rags feature elastic loops at the corners, making it easy to secure them to the frame, even the larger sizes. And now the rag is ready to use. One side blocks light and creates negative fill. The other reflects light. The perforation also slightly softens the reflected light. Taking it apart is just as simple. Remove the rag, then disassemble the frame piece by piece. We sew our rags from a wide selection of professional lighting fabrics in standard sizes like 4 by 4 feet, 6 by 6, 8 by 8, 12 by 12, and 20 by 20 feet, or in any custom size you need. Thanks for watching.